Good morning. Myself, Professor S.K. Trivedi, Department of Electronics and Communication, Faculty of Engineering and Technology, Khwaja Mohiuddin Chishti, Language University, Lucknow. Dear students, today I am going to discuss something about PN junction diode. What is PN junction diode? A PN junction is an interface or a boundary between two semiconductor material type, namely the P type and the N type inside a semiconductor. The P side or the positive side of the semiconductor has an excess of holes and the N side of the negative side has an excess of electrons. PN junction are formed by joining N-type and P-type semiconductor material. When the electrons and the hole move to the other side of the junction, they leave behind exposed charge on dopant atom sites which are fixed in the crystal lattice and are unable to move. A forward bias PN junction conducts a current. Once the barrier voltage is overcome, the external applied potential force majority carries toward the junction, where recombinations take place allowing current flows. A reverse phase PN junction conducts almost no current is there. As we know, there is a difference in the concentration of holes and the electrons at the two sides of a junction. The hole from the P side diffuse to the N side and the electrons from the N side diffuse to the P side. These give rise to the diffusion currents across the junction. Also, when an electron diffuses from the N side to the P side, or an ionized donor is left behind on the N side, which is immovable as the process goes on, a layer of positive charge is developed on the N side of the junction. Similarly, when a hole goes from the P side to the N side, an ionized acceptor is left behind in the P side, resulting in the formation of a layer of negative charge in the P side of the junction. This region of positive charge and the negative charge on the other side of the junction is termed as the depletion region or the depletion layer. Due to the space charge region on either side of the junction, an electronic dipole is being created, and due to generation of electrical dipole, an electric field is being created. Due to this electric field, an electron on the P side of the junction move to the N side of the junction. This motion is termed as the drift. In the figure you can see N-type and P-type. N-type are the majority carriers, which are electrons, and in P-type majority carriers are holes. In mid, yellow color is showing the depletion region. Thank you.